homework 13, question number 1. Based on the question, we know null hypothesis H0, P is 0.58, and alternate one is P less than, so less than 0.58. So we know P equals 0.58, and sample size 97, so N is 97, and 47 successes, so P hat is 47 over 79, so it is 47 divided by 79. And for the test statistic, Z based on the formula we gave here, this is the formula, and also you could step by step, first get a P hat, then get a standard deviation, then get a Z P hat minus mean divided by the standard deviation. Here we just directly use this formula here. So Z is P hat minus P over square root P times 1 minus P divided by N. So equals, don't forget here the parentheses, otherwise Excel will do the P divided by square root first. So P hat is this value minus P is 0.58, then divided by SQRT square root, and P is 0.58 times 1 minus 0.58, 1 minus 0.58, and divided by 79, and we need one more, this right parentheses, then enter. So we get this answer. Let's input. It requires 2 decimal places, so we get 0.27. Let's check the answer. Okay, so that's the first question.